Hey, I'm back. Today we're going to try these Destroyers from Home Defense 24 and these steel balls. Let's weigh them. This weighs 6.7 and 6.6, and again maybe my scale is a little bit off sometimes, but it gives you an idea. These ones are heavy, 20 gram, 20.1. yeah, that's very heavy steel balls. I still got almost a full tank on this one, so I think this is good enough for the test. And the victim is this laptop. It's a Fujitsu Siemens computer, and we're gonna see, can you shoot right through it? So the back side is blank, and we're gonna take some shots down the range from about 6 meters or something like that. So I will load up the magazine up and get to it. Yeah, of course. Today I have changed the barrel. I have to say this to the Marksman's barrel. This is a little bit longer. This is my normal 10 inches barrel, so I think it is 14 inches. Because I don't want to destroy my Nemesis. That would be a shame, because I really like the Nemesis. I got a longer Nemesis in this one. I'm gonna pull it out and shoot with it. Maybe not today, because today we're gonna destroy something. It has been raining all day, so I couldn't do it outside. So I promise you a destructive test inside if it was raining. So here we go. We're gonna start out with the Destroyers, the Destroyers from Home Defense 24. 6 shots. Hope my phone survive, but I don't dare to put it closer. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put this away for a second. Oh yeah, holy moly. I think they're going right through. Oh yeah. Wow. I didn't expect this. I'm very satisfied. This is heavy. This is very heavy. Wow. Wow. I didn't expect that much damage from the start. Maybe with some heavier bullets, but yeah, not with this one. So a shout out to Home Defense 24 for the Devastators. They are a killer. This one was the only one that didn't go through, but almost. This is good. This is around 70 joules, and I hope I can get them out. So yeah, but wow. I have expected that damage with these ones, but yeah, wow. Go check Home Defense out. Next, I'm gonna pull out these bullets and get back in a second. My conclusion is I put in this one for the start and 6 shots after, and this one weighs around 2.7 or 2.6 grams. This one got through the monitor as well. I think there was some of the last shots down here. This one go right through as well. So you don't need that's heavy projectiles for going through a PC screen. But this is a light ball, is for short range. This one would be much better for long range. So we're gonna try them out in the garden in a couple of days when the rain is stopped. Now I will take some of these and finish off the computer and find another computer and destroy it with the steel balls. But we know what damage the steel ball will do, so I don't know if I should just shoot some of these, but I'm gonna decide in a moment. I have this screen from another laptop. I will place it here and we're gonna see what damage we can do. I will say the laser is sighted in for about 20 meters, so that's why it's not that precise. Whoa! 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 Oh yeah, this is the destruction of the steel balls. Home Defense, some old one I got laying around. I just have to zoom out. I got 5 shots and they definitely went all the way through, and it went through this one as well. Maybe not all the way, but I don't know. The balls and everything was on the ground now, so yeah, I'm gonna watch the video. Maybe I will get a better view, but yeah, I will find some more to shoot. My choice is, if I can get them on the camera, these destroyers from Home Defense. I'm gonna take 8 of them this time, and it's a closed laptop, so let's see what damage it can do. Here we go. Yeah, after the last shot I accidentally pulled the trigger one more time because I didn't count my bullets, so I made the same mistake as shown in a video some time ago. This is the follower on the magazine. I didn't shoot it out, but it got stuck, so yeah, I hope I can save the spring, because I have no spare spring and I cannot find spare spring in Europe. So if you are in Europe and you know a place where I can buy spare springs for the Valken magazines, oh, please tell me. But all in all, the test was a success, and I have just pulled out the bullets in this one. It didn't go right through. I have not expected that, because we got all the hardware. I have pulled out the hard disk and the RAMs, but this main card is very strong. But tomorrow or the next day I'm going out in the garden, and we're gonna shoot some other things that maybe can be a little more destructive. And here you can see the Devastators. There's some damage, of course, but they are totally round and totally fine, and I can use them again. These ones are very, very nice. So Daniel and Florence from Home Defense 24, you have one more time made a good product. I cannot find number 8. Is in the computer. Super nice product. Go and check Home Defense 24 out. They are some good guys, make some good stuff, good quality, I think. Here we got the heat core. I'm gonna explain in another video. I'm gonna break down everything. But the fun part is to try it out. So that's what we did today. So hope you enjoy. Leave a comment or a like or something. It will help the channel. If you got some stuff I shall destroy or test, send it to me. Send me a message. That was all for today. Bye bye from Denmark. And a final thing. I managed to get this follower out of the barrel without destroying anything. But you can see the problem is it's gonna catch and put it into the barrel. So Sean he shot it out. That was very cool. This one fall out, of course, but the toy is okay. And I finally found the last one, so I got them all, so I can use them all again. But yeah, see you tomorrow, maybe. I hope so. Bye bye.